is about being able to apply a deep stroke without squishing your tissue, without stressing your body, but being able to get the depth with control. And sometimes you want to lighten up and do it with ease. So, first is your position of your arms. Get them ahead of you, approximately 30 degrees ahead of you, enough that you're pushing the tissue forward and up rather than squishing down on to the back. Second step is to make this bottom hand soft. So there's no tension in the bottom hand. It takes the shape of the body. It's the top hand that's going to deliver the power. So the bottom hand's relaxed and you're pushing through, and the top hand is the one that delivers the power. That's if and when you need the top hand to do that. If you're doing it correctly in the first place, the power is coming from the base, so it's coming from your bottom foot, and that is what's driving the power forward, then you will get enough depth in most cases. But sometimes you want that added bit, so you put that top hand on and press down into the movement. But generally the majority of that power is coming from that base, from the back leg. Now if you want, there are some circumstances where you're going to want a little bit more depth. Say you've got a proper rugby player, really big guy, you need a little bit more depth. You can change your angle and come up over the movement, but what you have to be mindful of is that the more you come up over the angle of what you're doing, the more you're driving the tissue down into hard structures. So if you're coming from behind, you are lifting and pushing up the tissue. Where you're coming over, there's a tendency to squish the tissue. Whatever you choose, keep that bottom hand soft and let the power either come from the top hand or from the base in your feet.